Hello, my name is Leslie Chong, and I'm the CEO Managing Director of Imugene. It is a pleasure and an honor to present to you the company. My disclaimer. So, in an investment snapshot, we are currently at market cap of 805 million. We have cash as of December 139 million, and we have four incredibly unique platform technologies. We also have a manufacturing facility, and also we're addressing the scourge of the earth, which is blood cancers and solid tumors. We have five ongoing clinical studies, and I'm happy to report for the most of our studies, we have complete response or folks in remission for going on 3 or 4 years now. So this product is quite active. Long life patent portfolio. And as I said, four unique platforms with allogeneic CAR-Ts as well as CF33, which is our oncolytic viral therapy across a few different studies, as well as our B-cell immunotherapy. So I'll go into allogeneic CAR-Ts first. And just to give you a reference point, the difference between autologous CAR-T versus allogeneic CAR-T. So allogeneic CAR-Ts are considered off the shelf because they are ready when the patient is ready, whereas autologous CAR-T or auto CAR-Ts that are approved currently in the market for blood cancers, when a patient comes in, they actually sit for anywhere between 7 to 8 hours to separate out their T cells. This gets sent to a lab, and it takes anywhere between 19 to 42 days to re-engineer. And during that time, the patients may progress. They need further chemo, or their T cells weren't able to be engineered. So there's a high manufacturing cost affiliated with that. Some of these therapies could cost upwards of $500,000. And because of the patient variability, there's also a variability in potency of these types. What we're aiming to do is to really alleviate those auto CAR-T failures and provide them an option. Because currently, if you fell off of auto CAR-Ts, you do not have another option. So allo CAR-Ts are CAR-Ts that are derived from healthy patient donors. So patients' T cells, these supersized T cells, are shipped to clinics and hospitals. And when a patient comes in and diagnosed with a certain kinds of blood cancers, they're readily available. We're currently in clinical trials, and we have many patients on. And I'm going to show you the data that we saw across 84 blood cancer types. And out of those, 61 patients had non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So this is a very progressed line of blood cancer type. And out of those, 18 patients took these approved auto CAR-Ts and relapsed or failed off those. So what we saw is these 18 patients that had auto CAR-T failures to come on our product, our allogeneic CAR-T product, Azer-cel, and 83% of those saw overall response rates, 61 seeing complete response, a complete remission, and this is third, fourth, fifth line of drugs. So it is a pleasure and honor to be able to serve that community of patients that have been derived a response from auto CAR-Ts. So I'm going to move on to our oncolytic viral therapy. So simply put, our virus only infiltrates into solid tumors. It replicates at an accelerated rate. It ruptures the cell, and those virus goes on to other solid tumors. And then your immune system comes and mops up the rest. So it's this beautiful sort of three-prong approach. And we're currently in clinical trials with 4 different arms. And we just announced a very meaningful result where a patient with cholangio cancer patient, bile duct cancer, saw a complete remission, and they have been in complete remission for over for over a year and a half now. So the study is ongoing. We're still dose escalating, and we will expand into that cholangio or bile duct cancer type. The backbone of that particular study is CF33, and this is the backbone of Oncolytic. So this is a combination therapy where we take a CAR-T or a bispecific and combine this with our oncolytic virus. So this is already in the trial. We are dosing intratumorally as well as intravenously, and we just announced a second patient in bile duct cancer that has come on as early as this week. We love the idea of combining our oncolytics products as well as our azer cell, because oncolytics is a CD19 expressing or covering a solid tumor with this. And our azer cell is a CD19 product. So in combination, we're already seeing some incredible results in a preclinical model of triple negative breast cancer as well as gastric, where we saw a complete killing in that combination, which is quite rare. So I'm back to my investment highlights with our market cap of 805 million. We have cash in the bank of 139 million, and we have 5 ongoing clinical studies to produce the meaningful results across this year as well as next. So that's the end of my presentation. I thank you for your time.